All right, Disco Bay market update. For those who don't know what Disco Bay is, that is short for Discovery Bay. I call it the little city on the water. It is phenomenal. It's a great place. It's summertime. Boats, kayaks, jet skis, you know, all the good stuff. That's called Discovery Bay. Medium list price for Discovery Bay is $964,900. Median price of all new listings, yeah, you know, the big dogs came out this week, $1.142 million. The big her homes are coming out, which means we're getting some nice juicy inventory right for summertime. Days on market is 35, which is going down. We were in the 40s for the last month or so. We're down to 35 days. Price reductions is at 41%. It's a bit higher than I would prefer. Inventory, 39 total homes, and market action index is at 45, which is a slight seller's market. Now rent, just over $3,300 at $3,373. So for all of those people who don't know anything about Discovery Bay, it's a beautiful place, small city, a couple good restaurants, some grocery shopping, but you live your life on the water. That is the whole goal there in Discovery Bay. As always, if you have any questions, I'm here to bring you the facts. I'm here to bring you the data. I just need you to jump in the pool or the delta. Talk to you soon.